Welcome to KSIS Academy, and now let's get into the daily news headline analysis of 31st October 2021. Prime Minister calls for united fight against COVID-19 at G20. So G20 is the informal organization of 19 countries, with European Union. And in the International Monetary Fund, Inca World Bank representatives గా ఉన్నారు. And some of the countries include Argentina, Russia, China, Korea, France, etc. G20 ఒక secretariat and headquarters ఇలా specificగా లేవు. So in the first session of G20 summit on global economy and global health, which was held in Rome, Prime Minister Narendra Modi spoke about the need for collaborative approach in order to fight COVID-19. So COVID-19 pandemic అప్పుడు India 150 countries కి medical supplies provide చేసింది. Manrega funding to continue, government. So Manrega is Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme or Act. So Manrega recent funds it ran out of funds and negative net balance చూపిస్తుంది. So దీని వల్ల workers ki payments into material costs and delay అవ్వచ్చు. So the government of India committed to release funds for wages and material costs for the proper implementation of the scheme. So government of India ఖచ్చితంగా funds release చేస్తామని చెప్పారు. And as per the provisions of the act, ఎప్పుడైనా స్టేట్ గవర్నమెంట్ కి సెంట్రల్ గవర్నమెంట్ కి అడిషనల్ ఫండ్ రిక్వైర్ అయినప్పుడు దెన్ మినిస్ట్రీ ఆఫ్ ఫైనాన్స్ ని రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తారు ఫండ్ రిలీజ్ చేయడం కోసం. సో దిస్ హస్ బీన్ సెట్ బై ది మినిస్ట్రీ ఆఫ్ రూరల్ డెవలప్మెంట్. Abortion rules to 8 minors. So the Medical Termination and Pregnancy Amendment Act 2012 is a new category of vulnerable women defined చేస్తుంది. And these vulnerable women, they can terminate their pregnancy within 24 weeks. While they have to meet certain conditions and with the permission of 2 doctors. So, e vulnerable women category lo minors untaru and survivors of sexual assault and fetal malformation value e vulnerable women category lo cover ayyaru. And other pregnancy women, they can terminate their pregnancy within 20 weeks with permission of 1 doctor, and they will have to meet certain criteria. So mandate law provides for setting up a state-level medical board. State-level medical board setup challenge, and they decide if the pregnancy can be terminated after 24 weeks. And there is also a need to fight stigma around adolescent sex, and contraceptives could adolescents ki chala rare ga reach out. And medical practitioners also rule the obstacle posed by the POSCO Act 2012 in providing services. So Section 19 of the POSCO Act requires any person aware of minor engaging in sex to report the matter to the local police, even if it was consensual act, as the law pegs the age of consent at 18. So POXO Act is Prevention of Children from Sexual Offences Act. So in 2012 lo launch chesaru, and this act it protects children from sexual offences, assaults, sexual harassment, and child pornography. వీటి నుంచి children ని protect చేస్తుంది act. Scientists find a mineral seen in the depth of the earth in a meteoroid. So IIT Kharagpur researchers ఒక study చేశారు, and this is helping us understand the formation and evolution of the earth. So they have studied a meteoroid which fell near the town of Katoli in Nagpur district of Maharashtra, and ఇందులో వాళ్ళకి బ్రిగ్మనైట్ అనే మినరల్ యొక్క వెయిన్స్ కనిపించాయి. So this mineral is naturally present in the interior of the earth. So evidence, it also adds this also adds evidence to moon forming gained impact hypothesis. So now let us know about what is moon forming gained impact hypothesis. So hypothesis prakaram 4 billion years mundu So Earth collided with a planet, which is called as Stella. And Deenwalla, there was a huge meltdown from the Earth's surface to a depth of 750 kilometers to 1100 kilometers. And ఈ హైపోథెసిస్ ఏం చెప్తుందంటే ఈ కొలిజన్ వల్ల ఎర్త్ అనేది మ్యాగ్మా ఓషన్ అయింది ఈ డెప్త్ వరకు అండ్ దీని వల్లనే మూన్ ఫామ్ అయింది అని చెప్పి హైపోథెసిస్ చెప్తుంది. Movement to root out invasive alien species. So Dr. Punekar, along with a member of environmentalists, retired forest department authorities, farmers and green activists and other stakeholders వీళ్ళందరూ కలిసి ఒక ఫోరం ఫామ్ అయ్యారు and it is called Movement Against Biological Invasions, and this is a green movement which aims at rooting out invasive alien species. So conventional biological diversity ప్రకారం invasive alien species ante it is a alien species whose introduction and spread threatens ecosystems. So invasive alien species ante oka species ni oka ecosystem loki introduce cheyadam which it does not belong to. So ఇది ఇంట్రొడక్షన్ ఒకవేళ ఎకోసిస్టమ్ ని థ్రెటన్ చేసినప్పుడు మనం దాని ఇన్వేసివ్ ఏలియన్ స్పీసీస్ అంటాం. And ecosystems, habitats and species without socio-cultural, economic and environmental harm and harm to human health. So invasive species యొక్క spread అనేది it's alarming and it is wiping out native species like grasses and other herbaceous species. And దీనివల్ల local food chain కూడా affect అవుతుంది. And these species are competing with native flora for space and light. కొన్ని species అనేవి poisonous కూడా ఉంటాయి. So which may cause allergies and skin diseases among animals. And furthermore, ఇప్పుడు మనం ప్యూర్ ఫోడర్ ని ఐఏఎస్ నుంచి సెపరేట్ చేయలేం కాబట్టి ఛాన్సెస్ ఆఫ్ లైఫ్ స్టాక్ కన్జంప్షన్ అనేది ఎక్కువ కూడా ఉంటుంది. అండ్ వైడ్ స్ప్రెడ్ ప్రివలెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఐఏఎస్ లైక్ లంతానా కెమెరా has also reduced the proportion of natural gases. సో ఐఏఎస్ ఇంకా వాటి harmful effects మీద అవేర్నెస్ కూడా చాలా తక్కువ ఉంది. And the main objective of this forum is to help farmers improve their productivity and identify IAS and rooting it out. వీళ్ళు ఇవి సెమినార్స్ ద్వారా వర్క్ షాప్స్, స్లైడ్ షోస్, వీడియో టీజర్స్, డాక్యుమెంటరీస్ ఇంకా ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ బ్రోచర్స్ ద్వారా పీపుల్కి ఐఏఎస్ గురించి అవేర్నెస్ రావాలి అని చెప్పి ట్రై చేస్తున్నారు. India's $5 trillion goal set back by 35 years. So India 2024 to 2025 look at 5 trillion economy avadam anukundi, but it is being set back to about 3 to 4 years in the optimistic scenario. And in the worst case outcome lo manam we will have to wait up to 2029 to 2030 as per the EY India estimate. Chinese build-up in RALP, a matter of concern. So LVC, line of control దగ్గర Chinese యొక్క presence పెరుగుతుంది and it is a matter of concern to India. And army has also moved additional troops to strengthen its position in the region. Thank you.